Hello and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to delete multiple sheets in a workbook by keeping specific sheets. In this example, I need to keep plus 3 sheets and delete all other sheets in the red color. So if we are doing this manually, we have to select all the sheets and right click on the sheets and click delete. If you are dealing with multiple sheets, let's say 100 sheets, it will be a long process, so that we need to develop a specific program to do this. So let call this delete sheets, and here we have to define a variable called w as a worksheet. Then we can disable the this alert using application dot display alert equal false. This is an optional. And here we use for each loop to run the logic throughout the sheets. Also, we use select case to define whatever the sheets we need to keep. We can define all the sheets here. I want to keep apply colors tab and draw tab and delete sheet tab. Then we use case else to delete all other tabs. Okay, now our program is finished. Let's see how it works. Okay, you can see that all the sheets were deleted, only keep plus 3 tabs. I hope you're able to understand this program. If you have any clarification need, let me know by commenting in below. That's all about this video, and have a nice day. Thank you.